Hi, this is just a quick recording to show you a little known but very useful function in Zoho CRM called the Zoho Sheets view. And that is a function that allows you to look at the data in the CRM in a spreadsheet type format. Not only look at it, but actually edit the data as well in a spreadsheet type format using well-known Excel type functions. But then the data gets updated in the CRM. So this can be very useful for mass updates and so on. So I'll jump right into it. So if, for example, you have the accounts in your CRM and you want to update the accounts en masse, you can go to accounts, for example, here. Now, the way this works is there are a few restrictions you need to bear in mind. And the first one is that it will use the view that you are looking at any given point. Okay, so if you want to have a different column, a different field in here to edit in the Zoho Sheet view, then you need to adjust the view first. Okay, the second one is that you need to be able to show as many as the maximum number that is allowable on your license so that you don't have to do so many updates in the Zoho Sheets view. Okay, it will only allow you to do this many at each time. Now, say for example, we wanted to look at Cardiff-based accounts and update those. Okay, so you can filter them down that way, and therefore I only need to update 7 on here and it will include them all in the Zoho Sheets view. So these are the columns in my view, but I actually want to see the street as well. So I would come here, make sure that the columns are available in your view, the ones that you would like to see in the online spreadsheet view. So I put in street there, put it in the right order. And now I'm ready to use it. So I want to update a few here en masse. So instead of having to click edit save for each one that is missing, I can now go into Zoho Sheets view by clicking the small icon over here on the right hand side. This is just a message to tell you the limitations of this kind of function. So you should read that, and then next time when you don't need to see it, you can just take that off. Okay, so I continue, and what it will do, it'll open the data in a new tab in the browser in Zoho Sheets view. Okay, so I can move across here, and you see that the fields that were shown in the view here, phone, website, billing, street, city, and so on, they are shown over here in the Sheets view. It's got a common formatting, same as Excel. You must remember though that this is not Excel. It's a web-based spreadsheet system. Okay, and actually Zoho Sheets is an app in its own right, but it's integrated into the CRM. It's web-based, therefore the data is traveling over the internet to be updated. It will not be as fast as an offline Excel type software. But you can put in the information now on here and just type in your data like this. Okay, so you can go and update it as you like. You can also use the Excel drag and copy function. So you see the small green square in the bottom right of this cell. I drag that down and it will update. I can drag that down and it will update. Okay, so over on the left side, just out of view here on this demo, but over on the left side you've got a save button. You click the save button just like you would in an Excel, and you'll notice that it's saving. When it's done, you can just check it by coming back to the CRM and clicking the refresh button here, and now you see that the data has been updated in the CRM as well. Okay, just to reiterate, I can do a maximum of 50 or 100 records at a time. It depends on your license. And then if I select that, so in this case I've only got 7. So those 7 would be shown here. If you have more than 50 in this example, then I would have to do the first 50, update what I need to update, save, refresh, make sure it all gets updated, then change to the next 50. Okay, and just keep repeating that pattern on Zoho Sheets until I've updated them. Obviously, if you've got more than a couple of hundred, that might take a bit of time, and you may want to export your data, update in Excel, and re-import and overwrite. Okay, that's another story. This is meant for situations where you don't have so many screens to do and you just need to do a quick update without having to export and import and mass update. Okay, so that's Zoho Sheets. So I go over here, here it is. If I made a mistake on this one, I can update it here, save, go back to my CRM, refresh, and it updates that record in the CRM. It's a very nice function, little known, little used in my experience, but very useful in situations like this. Okay, thanks very much.